and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cynthia and thank you so much for joining me today as I have the Lookfantastic April beauty box unboxing. I literally just did the Beauty Egg collection unboxing last night. That is incredible. If you guys want to go and check that out. Basically, the contents of the box is worth £250 and it retails at £65, and if you're a beauty box subscriber you get £10 off of the Beauty Egg collection, which gives you a total saving of like £195. And also I just quickly wanted to add that if you guys are thinking of subscribing to the beauty box monthly subscription, I think it's if you sign up to 3, 6 or 12 months, then if you use my code CYNTHIABB, you will actually get a free gift with your purchase. So the free gift is a really exciting one. It's worth £20 and it's from the brand Omorovicza, and it is the Queen of Hungary mist. So oh my gosh, just look at the packaging of that. So you get a free £20 gift if you use the code CYNTHIABB, and if by the end of the video you decide that you actually want to subscribe, absolutely brilliant. I'll leave all of the information for all of that left down below in the description box in case you guys forget. You can access the link to the Beauty Egg as well, and you can also access the link to the Lookfantastic Beauty Box for this month, and all of the information about how you can subscribe. It's absolutely insane. So if you guys want to check that video unboxing out, I'll leave that link down below for you. But today we are unboxing the Lookfantastic April beauty box, and this is what the design of the box looks like this month. Quite different to some of the others. Usually they're very colourful. This one is not. So inside you get the usual, you get the beauty box subscription magazine, and you also get your complimentary Elle magazine for the month. And on the front cover we have Taylor Swift. Haven't seen her or heard about her in a while. Maybe she's coming out with some new music or something, but she looks pretty cool on that front cover. Anyway, throughout this video I'm probably going to refer to this beauty box magazine, just because it's really useful, because some of the products in here I would have never heard of or tried before, or not know quite how to use them. So inside this beauty box magazine gives like a little bit of a description, and it just tells you a little bit about how you can use this product and an editor's tip as well. So that is absolutely brilliant. So reading the front cover, focusing on organic, natural and botanical beauty, we're taking an eco-mindful approach to our makeup and skincare. In this magazine we are exploring 2 natural and powerful ingredients making waves in the skincare industry, and sharing an edit of some of our favourite eco-conscious natural makeup brands. Discover our recipe for an immune boosting smoothie bowl and our suggestions for 3 small changes to make your daily life that little bit more sustainable. Okay, cool. So I guess that's what the sort of minimal design of this box is around, is all about sustainability and eco-friendly products. So like the theme there. One of my favourite little touches that the beauty box has is the little quotes that are inside of the lid, and this month's one is "There is beauty in simplicity," and absolutely simplicity is key. I swear by it. My everything that I do in my life is quite simple. My mind's even quite simple-minded. But yeah, I don't quite know if the packaging for this is sustainable. I haven't had a chance to look that up yet. I don't suppose it is. It feels like it might be, but I'll get back to you guys on that one. Okay, so this is the worst part. I hate ripping the sticker off. Oh, okay, it comes off nicely. So not like I'm going to stick the sticker anyway, but I just hate breaking the tissue just like that. Let's have a quick sneak peek of what's inside. Ooh, so already I can see some interesting brands there. So I've just seen that the value of this month's beauty box is worth just over £62, which is absolutely insane, because you can get the beauty box for as cheap as £13 per month if you signed up to the 12-month subscription. And I think off the top of my head, if you just wanted to get this box just because you like the products of it, just for 1 month, one off, then it's actually £15. So yeah, £62 worth of products for £15 is yeah, unquestionable really. Anyway, so let's find out what's inside this month's box. So the first one here is from the brand Emma Hardy. Now it is the Midas Touch Revitalizing Cream. It deeply hydrates and moisturizes, lifts and smooths, improves firmness and elasticity. I absolutely already love Emma Hardy as a brand. One of my favourite skincare products is actually from that brand, and it's the Moringa Cleansing Balm. I think I pronounced that correctly, and oh my gosh, that is just, it feels amazing on your skin, and it just literally wipes your makeup off. But anyway, this one is the Revitalizing Cream, and it says here that create a hydrating veil over skin with this intensive moisturiser, rich in hyaluronic acid, improve the appearance of the complexion by locking in moisture levels beneath the skin's surface, soothing irritation and plumping the skin. And you get a 15ml sample here, and it says here that it's worth £13.50. So great first product there. So the next product inside this month's beauty box is the Balance Me Vitamin C Repair Serum with hyaluronic acid, and it is 98% natural. I've tried Balance Me before as a brand due to all of the Lookfantastic Beauty boxes. They've actually featured quite a few of their products, so I already know that they're a great brand, so no doubt that this is probably going to be a really good product. It says here that it's worth £11, and it combats anti-aging and hyperpigmentation with this vitamin C infused repairing serum. Containing stabilised vitamin C and melavoid, this serum works to reduce skin pigmentation and calm inflamed skin, leaving the complexion soft and radiant. So we've got here editor's tip. If you're using a retinol-based product, we'd suggest alternating its use with a vitamin C, as they can react on the skin if used together. That's quite interesting to know, I didn't know that. So yeah, that's the second product. So the next product that we've got inside this month's beauty box is something from the brand Grow Gorgeous. Absolutely love this brand, thanks to Lookfantastic themselves, who've introduced me to them. Best hair care brand. I am obsessed with the scent of the products, and they're just genuinely a really high quality hair product. They really put a lot of thought into the ingredients that they put into their products and stuff. So yeah, they're already a brand that I really do trust. But here we have a Back Into the Roots 10-minute stimulating scalp mask, and I've actually tried this product before. I already know that it's great for like reviving my roots back into place. So like obviously if I'm lackluster for volume like I am today, unfortunately, what I would do is literally just leave this in for 10 minutes, use my shampoo as normal afterwards and condition as normal. It's just like a sort of leave-in mask, but it says here that it's worth £6. This stimulating scalp mask revitalises the scalp, lifts the roots so your hair appears bouncy and voluminous, infused with burdock root hyaluronic acid. So I think hyaluronic acid is one of the main ingredients that this beauty box has a theme for this month. Vitamins and caffeine. The mask creates a cooling sensation whilst creating a fuller and thicker appearance of hair. Paraben and sulfate-free formula will leave hair light, clean and bouncy. Okay, so it says here for an editor's tip, leave this on for an hour, covering hair with a shower cap for an intensive treatment to revive even the driest of hair. Oh, interesting. I didn't know you could do that. I just assumed, because it says 10 minutes, use it for 10 minutes. But yeah, I might give that a go later on. I already know that this product is great, so big recommendation there. I already know that this product is great. I'm just glad that I've got a little small travel size version, so I could take this possibly away with me if I'm going on a trip or going on holiday and my hair is feeling pretty dry and needs a bit of life when I'm abroad. So next up, the fourth product that we have inside this month's beauty box is actually a makeup product, and it is this Bella Pierre Cosmetics lipstick, and it's sort of like a reddy brown nudish shade, all three combined at once. The actual shade of this lipstick is in Envy, and I'm just going to do a quick swatch on the back of my hand. Okay, so it's coming out, as you can see, very sort of reddy brown. I wouldn't say it's nude at all. I don't know where I came up with that. But anyway, that looks like a really nice lipstick, and it says here in the magazine that this lipstick is actually worth £16. It enhances the lips with your lips but better shade of pink, a mineral lipstick. Oh, I didn't really quite, okay, yeah, I can kind of see the pink in that. I would say it comes up a bit more reddy toned on my skin colour anyway. It is a mineral lipstick formulated with natural waxes and mineral pigments. This smooth and silky 100% natural formula delivers long-lasting colour without drying the lips. Kissable lips. Apply to lips and reapply as needed. For a precise finish, outline the lips with a lip liner prior to lipstick application. And then we've got here an editor's tip. The tap into a key To tap into a key, spring beauty trend, apply and then blot with a tissue to achieve a diffused and blended lip colour. Okay, so to go for a more natural look, just do the blotting thing. Okay, cool, that's good to know. Excited to use that. Okay, so moving on to the 5th product, here we have a CRBEAUTYEGG, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, natural and organic origin recovery mask. And it says in the magazine here that it's worth £4.95. You get a good 20 millilitres in there, which is great. This is created for sensitive skin. This recovery mask from CRBEAUTYEGG contains softening and refreshing orange floral water, vitamin E and moisturising ingredients such as rice, poppy and tiger nut oils to restore fatty acid levels in the skin. Ideal for soothing inflamed skin, this mask contains zinc oxide which helps to enhance the skin barrier and reduce redness, with 98.7% of the ingredients from natural origins and over 30% derived from organic farming methods. This mask is a natural skincare wonder. And it says here how to use. Apply to dry skin and leave on for at least 7 minutes. Rinse off with warm water as you do with any other sort of face mask. But the editor's tip here is this mask contains bentonite. I think I said that right. Bentonite clay. I've never heard of this before. So if you have drier skin, you may wish to follow this with a rich moisturiser. Cool, really good to know. Really looking forward to trying that one out. Okay, and last but not least is something from the brand Ahava, and it is a Dead Sea salt, natural Dead Sea bath salts. I haven't had bath salts in a while actually, so that would be good to use. This is actually worth £7. It says here, experience the ultimate restorative soak with these natural Dead Sea bath salts enriched with over 21 essential skin-friendly minerals. These salts can help to replenish skin and relieve muscle tension and inflammation while simultaneously softening and hydrating skin. Containing magnesium, calcium and potassium, this soak promotes a restful night's sleep. Immerse yourself in the Dead Sea's healing waters with this spa-like salt soak that detoxifies and hydrates. So it says here how to use. Pour the packet into warm bath water and soak for 20 minutes to harness the full benefits. There's quite a lot of salts in here. I'm not sure if they really do mean the whole packet. I personally wouldn't use the whole packet, but yeah, I reckon you could get a good few uses out of this. Yeah, and also the editor's tip says if you don't have a bath, try using half the packet as restorative foot bath. This will capture the benefits of minerals and give your feet a pamper. So yeah, it does look like you need to tip this whole lot into your bath, which I don't know, is that strange that I think that, or right? But it says to, you know, harness the full benefits, you've got to use it. Or I could probably just, you know, use this twice as like a deep foot soak. I do have a bath, so I could just do the other. I have to think about that. This is the sort of dilemmas that go on in my little brain. It's just pointlessly discussing the future. Okay, and that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe and join me on my next video. And also, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what's inside this month's beauty box. And in case you guys did want to sign up and subscribe, remember that if you sign up to a free 6 or 12 month subscription, you can use my code CYNTHIABB. You will get a free Omorovicza facial mist that will come along in the post as your sample, as a free sort of gift from me to you. Anyway, just quickly looking on the back, because usually you get like a sneak peek, and it doesn't seem to be one this month. There usually is like a sneak peek product so that you can see what that you're expecting in the next beauty box. But it says here, our May box is all about things urban beauty, whether it's makeup that can be done whilst you're on the subway or pollutant protecting skincare. This box is an essential for those on the go moments. So no sort of sneak peek product there this month, but I guess that adds to the whole sort of mysteriousness and anticipation of the beauty boxes. But anyway guys, I'll leave all the information for everything linked down below as I mentioned earlier. Thank you so much for watching, of course. I hope you have a lovely morning, afternoon, night time, day, whatever the time of day it is, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. So thanks so much for watching again. Bye!